Hi, so this is part 4 of my Revlon collection, and I'm going to go through my top speeds, my one random scented polish, and then a few other, I'm going to start going into like the regular polishes. So on my nails, oh, it looks so pretty. I'm wearing on the Sinful Colors, which is in lilac, which is beautiful. And then over some of the nails, like on my pointer finger, and then I did like a swipe across my thumb and my ring finger, I put on this China Glaze, which is called the Outer Edge. It's from the Giver collection. And then I use these nail stickers. I actually filmed this in a Paint With Me video because I want to start doing those, and I deleted it. So there's no Paint With Me for that, which really sucks because... Anyway, moving on. Let's just get through these polishes. So the first one I have is my one and only scented polish. This is like one of their old scented polishes. This is in the color Raspberry Rapture. I actually had a couple of these when they came out, but this was the only one I kept. I love the color. It's a really, really hot pink. And this was one of the pinks that I actually liked when it came out. It smells kind of fruity, which is, it's not my favorite scent. I feel like it's a little bit too fruity for my liking, like a little bit too sweet, like artificial sugar, and I don't really like that smell. And the formula of this is terrible, like it's super, super thin, so I don't know why I still have this, to be honest. So that's Raspberry Rapture. This next one is from... The next few of these are going to be from the Top Speed line. This one's in the color First Class. This is a really, really beautiful blue. And this Top Speed line actually dries pretty quickly, so I really liked it. It's just that I would only pick them up if I found them at Big Lots, so I don't have more of them. But this color was really, really nice. It had a beautiful formula. So that one is First Class. This next one is in the color Lily, and this was one of my absolute favorites. You can't see because I shook it up to try to mix up the bottle, but I'm about halfway through this bottle. Absolutely love this color, the shade of purple. It's really, really pretty. The formula was definitely not the greatest. I think I had to do about 3 coats when the bottle was fresh, but I think now, since I've used it so often, I can probably get away with 2 coats. But the 3 coats I didn't really feel them because it's a Top Speed, so it dried pretty quickly, so I did like that. So that one is Lily. This next one is in the color Guestlist, and I absolutely love this color. It's such a beautiful, like, olivey green. It's not a color that you see all that often, and I loved it. Also, the formula of this one was really, really good, so that one is Guestlist. It's just gonna roll away, isn't it? Let me put these right here to stop it from rolling all the way away. This one is in the color Celestial Effects. So this has like an iridescent base glitter, and then it has some holographic stars, moons, and diamonds. If you can see all those different shapes in there. I had high hopes for this one, but there is too much base and not enough glitter, so this is terrible. Like, you get no glitters on your nails. None of these larger glitters actually come out. You really, really have to fish, like, for a while. I was fishing for a good long while to try to get any of this glitter out of there, so this is really not my favorite. Also, even though this is a Top Speed, it really didn't dry that fast, which I was surprised about because the other Top Speeds I tried had all dried really quickly, which is why I even got this. I knew that this polish probably wasn't going to be the best because I could see that it's kind of base heavy and doesn't really have a lot of the larger glitters, but I was hoping that the quick dry formula would kind of make up for it, and it didn't. So I kind of hold on to this just because it has moon glitters, and that's not something that you see very often, so I kind of hold on to it for that, but I never use it, so I should probably just let it go. So that one's Celestial Effects. Then from that same collection, it was like a little duo. This one's Heart of Gold. Hearts of Gold? Yeah, Hearts of Gold Effects. So this one has gold glitter, and then it has holographic silver hearts in it. This one had the exact same formula, like they're just, there's one silver, one's gold. They apply exactly the same, so I don't like this one either. I feel like the hearts were a little bit easier to get out though than like the moon glitters, but not really by much. So that one's Hearts of Gold FX. The next Top Speed, let me just shake it up because it's a little bit separated. This one's in the color Hazy, and this is a really, really beautiful gray, and this one had a beautiful formula. I said beautiful twice, but I really liked this one. So that one is Hazy. The last top speed I have is this one in the color VIP. This is, what color is this? This is one of those, you know, like taupey, kind of like grayish. I don't even know what color this is. What is this color called? There's a whole bunch of names for it. But it's really nice, and the formula is just like the other kind of cream top speed, so I do actually really like this one. So that one is VIP. Then the next ones are from their Pebbled texture line. I didn't even know that these existed, but I found them at Big Lots, and so I don't know if I have the entire collection. That was my goal, but I'm not sure if I actually picked up all of them. I hope I did. Hello, Lila. She wants to get on my lap. You can come up. Okay. There. Got her. So this first one is in the color Tahitian Cove, and all of these have like destination names. So this one is Tahitian Cove, and this one has like a grayish base, as you can see, and then it has, what is this? Matte silver. They have like matte regular silver, matte holographic silver, and then like a grayed out blue matte glitter. It's kind of hard to see, but you see like that like silvery blue color. Really, really pretty. These are kind of cool because they dry matte, and it says that they're pebble texture. They actually are really, really smooth. It's just that they're matte, like they dry down, the base of it is matte. So it's like glitter in a matte polish, like in a matte topper base. That doesn't make any sense. A topper base. Okay, anyway. But these are really, really interesting. They have a little bit of a weird, like a tricky formula because they do have that matte base, so I find that you kind of have to work really quickly with these. You want to just do kind of like the quick 3 strokes down the nail and then leave it alone, because I find that you will get the best coverage with that. The coverage is a little bit all over the place. You'll have some places that are a little bit more full than other places, but I think I did 2 or 3 coats of this. I can't really remember, because this was like 2 years ago that I wore these. Well, I wore 1 or 2, I can't remember. So I definitely have to wear them again, but I do remember them being really, really interesting. I've never come across anything else like this, and I just think these are really, really fascinating. So that one is Tahitian Cove. I haven't worn that particular one yet. Then here's the blue, and this one is in the color Lanai Lagoon. This is a really beautiful blue. So it has like that blue base, and then what color glitter? Oh, it just has blue and silver glitters. There's like more of a turquoisey blue, and then there's more of like a darker blue in it. It's kind of hard to see on this camera, but so that one is Lanai Lagoon. This, have I worn this one? Brazilian Beach. No, I haven't worn this one. This one's Brazilian Beach. This one has a nude base. It's more like a nudie pink base, and then it has gold glitter, and then maybe like a peach kind of glitter. It's kind of hard to tell, and my lighting is kind of washing it out, so you can't really see it, but maybe I need to wear these all like in a nail of the day. Just do like nail of the days, like weeks of just wearing these polishes. That might be kind of interesting. So that one is Brazilian Beach. This one is in the color Balinese Bay, and this one is, this one's definitely the most sparkly because it has those holographic glitters in it. So this base is, I guess it's a pink. Yeah, it's like a, well, it's like a pinky purple. Then it has fuchsia glitter, it has holographic glitter, and then it has black matte glitter. So it looks really, really pretty. And the holographic glitters are really, really strong. There's a ton of them in there. So that one is Balinese Bay. The next, did I show this one? This pink one? Yes, I did. Wait, no, did I? No, I didn't. This one is Tahitian Coast. This one has a pink base with a light pink, a fuchsia, a silver, and then a holographic glitter in it. These have a lot going on in them, which is something that I really, really liked. That's something that I like that Revlon does, is they would do polishes that have a lot going on. Like they're very multi-layered, and I think that's really, really cool. So That one is Tahitian Coast. Then this one I have worn. This one's Mayan Riviera. And this one has kind of like a neutral base. It's like a neutral nude. I guess more neutral than nude. And then it has like a forest green or like a tropical green. And then it has a peachy pink, gold, and silver glitters. And some of the glitters in there are holographic. And I love this one. I think I got this completely opaque in 2 coats. And I really loved it. I just thought it was such a cool polish. I loved how much it had going on in it. I like that it dried matte because it was just such an unexpected twist. So I really loved this one. So that one's Mayan Riviera. And then this one is Moroccan Oasis. And this one has a, I don't know, it's like a dusty, nudie purple sort of shade, and then it has holographic glitter and then blue glitter and then really tiny blue glitters. Are there any silver? Maybe it's silver gold glitter and then like really tiny like holographic blue glitters. It looks really beautiful. It almost reminds me of like a constellation-y sort of one because it has like the blue with like the gold and the silver and like the hollow. It just looks kind of cosmic to me. So that one's really pretty. I haven't worn this one yet either, and that one's Moroccan Oasis. And then the last one, which I have worn, this one's Seychelles Sand. This one has a nude base with gold holographic glitters, and I'm trying to see if there's some silver. It might be silver and gold holographic glitters, I'm not entirely sure, but I love this one. I used this one as an accent nail when I did Mayan Riviera. Ooh, look how pretty that is. And I think it was, again, like 1 or 2 coats for it to be completely opaque. I love it. Look how pretty that is. And even if you don't like the matte, you could definitely, the matte makes it dry really quick, so I really like that. But even if you're not a huge fan of the matte, you can just add it on a glossy top coat. So when I wore these, for the first few days I wore them matte, and then for the next few days I wore them glossy, and it was really beautiful. These are just really amazing full coverage glitters. So that one is Seychelles Sand, and that is it for the polishes in this video. I'm trying to keep these on the shorter side and not have them super long, although I think this one was kind of long. I'm trying to have them a little bit shorter so that you're not sitting through an hour-long video. So that is it for this part of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next video. Bye! I think I keep saying video.